Here is a guideline how to save a plant. 1. Examine for any life signs. The majority of house plants that appear to be dead in reality aren't. How then can you determine whether your plant can be saved or is dead? You must search for life signs. If there is, you can probably save your plant if flexible and sturdy stems, strong and flexible roots, any green on the plant. Any tiniest indication of life will suffice. 2. Remove the harmed leaves. Brown or yellow leaves can't be kept, unfortunately. Your best option in this situation is to trim your plant. Trim the leaves of your plant, getting rid of any damaged or dead foliage to help it survive. Your plant will have more energy to concentrate on new growth as a result of not having to preserve withering leaves. 3. Reposition your plant for better lighting. More light doesn't always imply better light. While most indoor plants prefer medium to high light, others, like Calathea, prefer dim light. In the area where the sun hits the foliage, plants with excessive light produce bleached or yellowing leaves. Too little light causes plants to lose their leaves near the bottom of their stems and develop tall, spindly stems. They will appear to be reaching out for more light. To put it another way, trim the damaged leaves and transfer your plant away from the window or to a window in your house that receives less light, such as a north-facing window, if your plant exhibits signs of sun damage. If your plant needs more light, either relocate it to a room with more natural light, such as a south-facing window, or buy a grow light. 4. An excessively wet plant? Remove the root rot. Succulents like cacti, which are native to arid climes, don't require much water, but it's also easy to mistakenly overwater a tropical houseplant that prefers dampness. So how can you tell if your plant is getting too much water? It has yellow leaves, damp soil, and occasionally some mold or fungus that is apparent. Follow these steps to prevent an overwatered plant from dying. Take the plant out of the too wet soil. Check for root rot, which will cause some of the roots to become mushy and brown. Take out the damaged roots and carefully wash them with water. Repot your plant in a pot with fresh soil that drains nicely. Remove any leaves that are brown or yellow. Feed your plant with fertilizer to encourage nutrient-rich and lush, new growth because excessive watering has a tendency to wash out nutrients from the soil. 5. Submerged? Your plant needs water from below. Water-stressed plants wilt. Their leaves might start to get weaker, thinner, or even wrinkled and crinkled. Probably discolored, crispy leaves or stems will be seen. Give your plant water if it displays signs of drowning, or worse, drought stress. Ensure that the pot your plant is in has a drainage hole. Water it evenly so that the soil is damp but not drenched. To allow the pot to absorb water from below, place it in a small tray of water. Don't be concerned if your plant doesn't recover right away from drought stress. It will take longer for it to do so with consistent watering. Once your plant has recovered, you can evaluate the damage. Wait for luxuriant new growth as you remove the dead leaves. If you want to learn more about gardening or start your self-sufficient garden, now click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.